Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to fix a sticking recoil on my leaf blower. This is very frustrating because when you pull the rope out, it goes back in, but it leaves about 4 inches hanging out, which is annoying because I want it to go all the way back in. So anyway, we're going to do a time lapse and we're going to tear it down and then lubricate it and then put it back together. So I'll show you guys what it's doing right now. Okay, so I disconnected the spark plug just to make sure it won't start. So basically you pull it over like this and see, this like keeps hanging out in here sometimes. So we're gonna take this apart and fix it up and lubricate it. So I'll put you guys in time lapse and we'll get it with the tear down. So as you can see now, I've got the whole engine out of the machine and I have now exposed the little pull start thing here. So now we're going to get some WD-40 and lubricate this thing because it feels a bit sticky. And then I'm going to put the time lapse back on and we're going to assemble the whole thing back together. And then we'll take it outside and see if it starts. So I'm going to get WD-40, spray it in here, spray it around here. And there's even a bit of rust occurring in there, so this will help that out. In the hole there. Pull this over a bunch of times. Get in here again. And in there. And get back there. And there we go. Now I'm going to put the time lapse back on and put the machine together. Oh, also, these, remember when you take these screws out that they're a finer thread and that they go into the metal, unlike this coarser thread one that goes into the plastic. See, here's the difference between them. See, these are close together, these are far apart. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And you might want to use a power tool like this because it's a bit easier than using a screwdriver like that, and it saves your wrists as well. Okay, so back together. Now let's see if it works. Alright everyone, so that's a wrap on how to fix your pull start on your leaf blower. So have an awesome weekend and like and subscribe. See you on the next one.